guys, I've reduced a little bit the light because I want to show you this really nice, very beautiful candle light set. Here I have just one, but the set which I'm going to show you has 5 electric candles. It's also available in different sizes, but it's absolutely beautiful, fantastic. So I'm going to show you all the details, so stay tuned till the very end of the video. I'm going to show you all the great stuff about this candlelight set. And so here we have the packaging, so let's open and see, and they are really nicely protected, single wrap, so you don't have to be worried. And they look really awesome, so you can see they are almost straight, not totally straight, but at the very end they have a really nice, very modern shape. I love this fully transparent acrylic, and we have plastic inside. Of course it's not real wax, but the good thing, it's much easier to clean than real wax. And at the bottom we have this opening here for the batteries. And so we have to add 2 AA batteries. You can use anything like alkaline batteries, but you can also use rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries. You have to just be aware the nickel metal hydride, they are fading out a little bit towards the end of the charge. If you're using a rechargeable lithium ion, then they don't fade out at the end. So it's the preferred solution actually. But rechargeable is definitely a very good solution to protect the environment, and so you can see it turns on automatically, very beautiful. But we do not only have one, we have 5 of them, and on top of that we get the remote control. To make it working, we have to remove the battery protection, and then we can use the remote control to turn them on or off. But we have much more. We have a 2-hour, 4-hour, 6-hour or 8-hour timer. So we can press here and they will confirm that they have received the signal. So what they will do, they will shine for 2 hours, and after that they will be off for 22 hours and then shine again for 2 hours. If we go with the 4-hour, then they will be on for 4 hours and off for 20 hours and then turn on again at the exactly same time. This is super convenient. So you add the battery, turn them on, select the timer, and then you can enjoy it for a couple of weeks because the battery usually lasts for very, very long. But we can also change the brightness. So here you can see the highest brightness, but we can also reduce it if you don't need highest brightness, or to save some battery, to have even longer battery runtime. And we have a candle mode and a normal light. So this is the candle mode, where you can see that it is a little bit pulsing, a really natural candle light. But we can turn them also into normal light, where we have the more steady light, but the really nice flames are still flickering. They look really natural, and they are looking so natural that last time when I was moving this candle, I was doing this very slowly because I was thinking there would be melted wax in there and I have to be very careful. This is absolutely awesome, as good as it gets. Regarding the height, we have 2 times small, then we have a medium, a little bit larger, and then we have the extra large. They have a very beautiful warm light, so I can give you full recommendation, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.